welcome to our channel. This is our first time on YouTube and our channel's name is Our Happy Place. We would like to share videos about decors, about lifestyle, about food, about recipes, health, fitness, DIYs and a lot more. So please do subscribe, share, like and comment. Do hit on the notification button to get updates about our videos. In today's video, I would be talking about the favorite place of our house. This is the part that I was talking about, our very favorite place. This is our coffee bar that we have used. Everything that you could see is upcycled over here. And this is a very antique piece. This is a drawer that we have converted into a shelf. I would share the previous pictures that we had of this in our video below. So over here, if you can see, we have done this printout, and this printout is like a chalkboard one which we have done, and it says all I need today is a little bit of coffee and a whole lot of Jesus. Yes, this is a very favorite quote of ours that we always wanted to have in our house, and that's what we have done over here. This, if you can see, is an old frame that we have converted, and we have put it in front of the printout that is over here, and a little bit of coastal touch as well. On top, if you could see, we have this little coastal living jar that we have done. It's actually an upcycled one as well, an old one that we converted. We painted it and we did the burlap work on it as well as the shells, and these are the cups that we have got from Home Center to match our color scheme of our house. Over here, if you could see, we have these lovely canisters. They are in grey, and they are from West Side, a very favorite place of ours for home decor, and it says tea, coffee and sugar. Yes, we have been using this for the past 3 years and we have no problem absolutely at all. Over here, coming to the next one, is we have these lovely black cups that we have, which is also from Home Center. This one is a little bit of the coastal living touch that we wanted to have in our house. This is from Home Center as well, these cups, and it has grey shades, it has the teal as well as the mustard shades. This little cup stand is also from Home Center, and we just love this little coaster because it just goes with the coastal living theme. Over here, I've placed a small little planter. It's an artificial one. Yes, of course, because over here in Chennai it's very hot and you can't really grow much of plants indoors. So I rather prefer having an artificial one. This is also a DIY of ours, which we will be sharing later. A lot of DIY projects that will be coming up. And we have just put this burlap thread around the pot, and this is a DIY starfish as well. And this coaster that we have over here down below is from IKEA. Over here, coming to the next thing, is this small little black tray that we bought from a local store over here, a home store. So I have filled this with this small cute little fish. If you could see, this is a candle holder which is from Home Center. A small wooden coaster just to give it a little detailing. A small mustard milk jar which we have recycled. We no longer use this, so we have this, and we have a small little honey scoop and 2 wooden ladles in it. Over here I've got jaggery and I've got brown sugar in this. So we mostly use jaggery and brown sugar. We have normal sugar as well, but we prefer to have this. This is a small little DIY that we did. This is actually a jar that we found, and we thought that this would be very apt for honey. So we just did this. We painted this on top, and I just put a shell, and I've made it into a small honey pot, so it's ready to be filled when we buy our honey. So that's about it, guys. And this is a small little DIY as well, with some artificial plants and 2 roses over here. So this is a burlap bottle, and this is a DIY project as well. So coming to the main part of it is this cabinet. This cabinet is actually, it's a custom made one. We don't get this anywhere. like I mean online, because you don't get it according to your color. So we just got this and we did the de-stress work. My husband did every single thing of this. He did the de-stress work on this, and we just so love it. I will be sharing the organization video later about this counter in my next videos. So coming to the next very favorite corner is, yes, that is our eat. It says EAT, eat. So yes, this is nothing but a very simple project that we did, and this is a black plate that we had, which we have upcycled, and this is a very pretty coastal living shell plate that we got from a home store. And this is another black plate that goes with the first one. So this is an entire set that we did, and these letters are from Itsy Bitsy. So we just got them and we painted them and stuck them, and that's about it, guys. You can see how absolutely stunning they look over there, and this is the entire look of our favorite corner. So I'm sure all of you would love this video, and I'm sure that you will for sure subscribe to our channel, and please do watch out for more videos. Thank you so much.